And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
We've got a couple storms in the viewing area right now after earlier showers. We're getting that sun out now. It's heating up, so we're bubbling up a couple little storms around. Near Lake Psychic, headed for Royal Center, northern Cass County, this little cell here. And then another little storm here in southern Montgomery County, moving areas through areas just south of Ladoga, moving towards Boone County, and a few other storms here in central Illinois. Everything is pivoting eastward. Actually, a couple little broken lines moving in from the west, and I can't rule out an isolated severe storm or two this evening right up till about 9 o'clock, with equal potential for an isolated wind gust that is severe, isolated hail or isolated brief very weak tornado, and isolated heavy rainfall. The storms are moving quickly, but they still may produce a brief torrential downpour that'll cause quite a bit of ponding out there. Then we get clearing overnight, a little patchy fog in places with lows near 60 to the low 60s. But tomorrow we begin the heat up, right? Partly cloudy skies, highs near 85, the heat index up around 89, winds out of the southwest. May have a couple isolated storms later on in the day that may hold on long enough coming out of Illinois before they collapse to get into the area. There are the highs from 84 to about 87 viewing area wide tomorrow, with a marginal risk of severe weather for any of those isolated storms that can make it in here long enough to produce isolated severe. And it's the same thing on Wednesday, too. Again, any storm that comes out of Illinois will be in the process of weakening and collapsing, but it may hang on long enough to affect the area. That's where we got the marginal risk up. You can see the partly cloudy skies on Wednesday with that high of 88, and the heat index up around 94 degrees. 87 at Flora and Logansport. Fowler, 89, 90 at Kentland on Wednesday, with peak heat indices anywhere from low and mid 90s to as high as 102 at Covington. And it'll feel like 100 at Williamsport, as the dew points will be on the rise. Notice they hang out around 70 to the mid 70s right up through Friday. So this is an extended period of hot and humid weather that we are not used to, because it's been relatively tranquil and cool in terms of the temperature for the month of June. Now tonight we clear out. Tomorrow, again, a couple storms may hang on long enough to get into the area late in the day into tomorrow night, and could even have a couple storms try to get in here later on Wednesday. But the main story will be the heat. Notice this dome of heat that continues Thursday into Friday and right into next weekend. Storms will be few and far between. As a matter of fact, I think the next best potential of any substantial storm action will not occur until perhaps next Tuesday. So that said, a 90 Thursday, 91 Friday, heat indices the 90s to some places exceeding 100. Even Saturday, a couple isolated storms in 90, and we stay warm and humid, to hot and humid that is, right into Monday and next week. So Jeff, drier weather, and boy, it's going to feel like summer. A lot of kids will be at Tropical Cove.
That's exactly what I was going to say. That's cool weather for sure. Thanks, Chad. Well, that video released by Animal